So the girls woke up with way too much energy today. And so for the last 10 minutes, we've been doing this. However, they are just as loud as ever. And it doesn't seem like the energy is being drained at all. At all. Shh. Would you like to go home now? You don't want to go home? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay. What puppet show are you talking about? Nope, nope, nope. Okay. You can't figure this out? There we go. Nope, nope. Just... What puppet show? Okay. As any good father would, I take my share with coffee. My bad. Hold up. Hold hands. Okay, hold hands. We have to cross the road. Hold hands. Riley, Riley, come back. Bree, hold her hands. Stop. Wait. We have to stop. We are on the road. So now, stop. You have to look both ways to see if there is a car. There is no car, so now we can cross. Let's go. We're crossing the road. That's how you cross the road. There is no car. That's an airplane. Yes, ma'am. It's in the air. It's not called an air car for some reason. Are you sufficiently tired now? Oh, sorry. Okay. This is your house. You don't want to go home? But that's your house. But you don't live there. Oh, okay. As you wish. But that's not your house. No, because your house is back there. What? Shh. Don't touch. Don't touch. Go. Careful. All right, let's go back. Come on. Let's go. I'm going this way. We got to go to meetings now. So let's roll. Oh, you don't want to go do that either? Okay. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. Do not go to the street, please. Yes. Okay. Get off the grass. But Mommy's home. You don't want to see Mommy? Why not? Oh, we could go have breakfast. You're not that hungry? You don't want breakfast either? Why not? What do you want? Can we go home, please? Can we go home, please? Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Okay, I'm going home. Bye. Okay, the dog's gonna come get you. The dog is gonna come get you and everything. All right, this is the part where I get stern. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Get in. Thank you. Lovely child of mine. Later, yes. Yeah, sure. As you wish. No, going in the car. Going in. You want breakfast, right? Now you don't want breakfast? I want breakfast. We're going in. Bye. Okay. Brielle. See? Get in here, please. Thank you. May the good Lord bless you. Just get in, please.